Welcome back. Today we are diving into a powerful business case study, customer segmentation in marketing. We'll explore how companies use unsupervised learning and clustering algorithms to unlock hidden patterns in their customer data. Modern business handling millions of customers and treating them all the same is a mistake. Without segmentation, you end up with ineffective campaigns, wasted ad budgets, poor retention, and zero personalization. The solution is customer segmentation. By using data and unsupervised learning, we can group similar customers together. This allows for precision marketing, better ROI, and a significant reduction in customer churn. For our retail company case study, we have 5 main goals: understand different customer groups, personalize recommendations, improve targeted marketing, identify high-value customers, and use behavior-based outreach to stop customers from leaving. Here, the biggest challenge is we have no labels. There are no predefined categories like budget or premium in the raw data. We have to rely purely on machine learning to find the hidden patterns for us. To do this, we look at 3 types of data: demographics like age and income, behavioral data like annual spend and purchase frequency, and the digital footprint, which includes app activity and click-through rates. Before clustering, we follow a 4-step pipeline: handling misleading values by inputting data, feature scaling using Z-score standardization, outlier treatment to remove extreme data points, feature engineering, especially creating RFM scores, which stand for recency, frequency, and monetary value. We use 3 main algorithms: K-means, which is the most common; DBSCAN, which is great at finding irregular shapes and noise; and Hierarchical Clustering, which uses a dendrogram to show how clusters match. In our models, we have identified 6 distinct customer groups. Let us break down who they are and how to market them. Cluster 1 are your high value loyals. They spend a lot and shop often. We give them exclusive rewards. Cluster 2 are the bargain seekers. They only shop during sales. So we target them with last sale notifications and discounts. Cluster 3 are at risk customers who have not bought anything lately. They need win back offers. Cluster 4 are new customers who are just exploring. We welcome with them with onboarding emails and first purchase discounts. Cluster 5 are digitally only shoppers who love the app. We focus on a fast mobile experience. Finally, Cluster 6 are premium brand buyers. They are not price sensitive and prefer exclusive brand events and high-end bundles. To see these clusters in 2D, we use dimensionality reduction. PCA is fast and linear. t-SNE is great for seeing separation, and UMAP is the best for preserving both local and global data structures at scale. The impact is huge. Segmented campaigns deliver 2 to 5 times higher ROI. This is why leaders like Amazon, Netflix, and major banks use these exact methods for recommendations and fraud detection. In short, customer segmentation transforms marketing from generic to precision driven. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for next videos.